Welcome back to Essential Eats, your ultimate destination for mouth-watering and health-conscious content. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of turmeric, a golden spice that has been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits. Get ready to unlock the power of turmeric and discover how it can boost your well-being. Turmeric, with its vibrant color and distinctive flavor, is not only a staple in many cuisines but also a potent medicinal herb. In this episode, we'll unveil the secrets behind turmeric's health-boosting properties and explore how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's dive in. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory marvel. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. By reducing inflammation in the body, turmeric can help alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and even certain skin conditions. When it comes to brain health, turmeric shines. Curcumin, found in turmeric, has shown promising effects in supporting enhanced brain function. It can potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and improve cognitive function. It also promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of brain cells. Turmeric offers antioxidant protection. Curcumin acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals and protecting cells from oxidative damage. This antioxidant property helps combat aging, supports a healthy immune system, and may even reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. In traditional medicine, turmeric has been revered as a digestive aid. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helps relieve indigestion and bloating, and supports a healthy gut. Incorporating turmeric into your meals can promote better digestion and overall digestive health. Turmeric has potential anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that curcumin may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even contribute to their destruction. While more studies are needed, the early findings are promising and indicate the potential of turmeric as a natural cancer-fighting agent. The golden spice is also known for its potential to support liver health. Turmeric can aid in detoxification by enhancing liver function and promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you're giving your liver an extra boost in maintaining its vital functions. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties make it a valuable tool in fighting infections. Curcumin has been shown to possess antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Adding turmeric to your meals may help strengthen your immune system and protect against various pathogens. Research suggests that turmeric may have benefits for heart health. It can help improve cardiovascular function, lower LDL cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. By including turmeric in your diet, you're taking a step towards supporting a healthy heart. Turmeric can also be beneficial for managing inflammatory skin conditions. Its anti-inflammatory properties, combined with its ability to reduce oxidative stress, can help alleviate symptoms of skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It may promote a healthy complexion and soothe skin irritations. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is easier than you might think. You can add it to curries, stir-fries, smoothies, or even enjoy it as a soothing turmeric tea. Experiment with recipes and find creative ways to include this golden spice in your meals to reap its fantastic health benefits. By embracing the power of turmeric, you're not only adding a delightful flavor to your dishes but also harnessing its potential to enhance your overall well-being. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore more nature's wonders and uncover the secrets of vibrant health. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Essential Eats for more enlightening content on the power of healthy foods. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos that will empower you to make informed choices for your well-being. Thanks for watching, and remember to spice up your life with the incredible power of turmeric.